Hello po mga ka-farming. Samahan niyo po ako sa aking gagawing bagong video at ako'y magtatanim ng sili at talong. Unahin ko po muna ngayon ay itong talong. Itanim. Magtanim tayo. Ilang piraso itong talong natin?
112.
Itong talong kong itatanim ay 112 pieces. Tingnan po natin kung mabubuhay lahat sila. Lalo tag-ulan. Medyo tagulan po ang pagtatanim namin ng talong dahil di na po may atras eh. Nandito na yung binhi. Sana po ay magkaigi naman para iwas lugi sa binhi. At nililiwanag ko po lang sa inyo, kung panim na ito ay hindi sa akin, may patanim lang sa amin ng amo namin, kaya kailangan itanim at nang may anihin pagdating ng araw. Ayan. Tayo sa taas. Maganda po ngayon magtanim dahil tag-ulan. Libre dilig. Ang problema lang po ay yung ugat. Pagka nababad ng tubig ay yun ang nabubulok. At yun ang nagiging pong dahilan ng kanilang pagkamatay. Kaya titingnan po natin magiging resulta na ito. Okay na. Here I am at 6 o'clock in the morning to sleep without you, and then all that at night I seems to live for love. All I know, I need you now. More than words to say, I need you now. Oh, you gotta find a way, I need you now. Before I lose my mind, I need you now. Here right now, I'm looking back my window, still dreaming about you. Can't let go. At 6 o'clock in the morning, I feel you beside me, and I know that at night I sense to live for love, for love. Oh, I need you now. More than words can say, I need you now. I've got to find a way, I need you now. Before I lose my mind, I need you now. More than words can say, I need you now. Oh, I gotta hear you say, I need you now. More than words can say, I need you now. Oh, I gotta hear you say, I need you now. Before I lose my mind, I need you now. I need you now. Yan po mga ka-farmer, matatapos na po ako magtanim ng talong. At mamaya po naman ay sili ang aking tatanim. Yan. Ilang piraso na po.